What's up guys, welcome to Vision Codes. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I will show you how to make a simple chatbot using Python. So let's get started. You can use Visual Studio Code as well as PyCharm, but I will use Visual Studio Code. So open it and then make a new file and name it anything, but remember the extension .py. Now after making the new file, we have to declare a variable. So you can name anything, like I will write Q&A is equal to, then you have to give bracket and take bracket to the third line, and between first and second bracket place inverted commas and write your first question, like I will write hi, then place colon, then again inverted comma and write the answer which Jarvis or this bot will give, then comma, then in second line same process will go on, place first inverted comma, write your question, then colon, then again inverted comma, write answer, then again comma, then in third line likewise you can add any of your question which you want that Python chatbot will answer. You can add, like I am adding hi, how are you, what is your name. Remember, you have to use double inverted comma, not single, otherwise it will not work. So write as many questions as you want and their answers also. Then after writing all the questions, you have to give while and else loop, because you have to run that bot many times. So after bracket, leave one line and write while, then true. In true, there the T should be in capital, otherwise there will be error. Then colon, press enter. Then you have to declare again variable, like I will name it QS is equal to input. This is the variable in which we will ask our question. Then you have to write if after one line, then bracket, then that variable name QS double is equal to, then double inverted comma and quit, then close bracket and colon. After that enter and write break. Then after that you have to write else colon print Q&A, which we have given questions. So if we will ask that, he will give answer. So place again a bracket and write QS. Then I will run this code in terminal, and as you can see here the result. When I will type hi, he will answer say, then how are you, he will answer I am fine. How old are you, then he will answer I am 50 years old, and as many questions you have given there. Now we will develop this bot to some higher level. So we will ask time. So we will write there after comma in second line what is time now, then colon, and then we have to declare and import the package time, which is pre-installed. You don't need to install this. Simply write import time and then declare a variable. You can see on the screen, like I will declare the variable named as now is equal to time.ctime. We are using ctime because we have to show time in dates, minutes, hours, in all. Then place bracket, and then here after what is time now, you have to write the variable name which we have given now. So we will write without double inverted comma, write the variable name now and place comma. Then we will run this in terminal, and we will ask question that what is the time now. You can see it has given the answer Sunday number 28 20 51 31 2021. So that's it for today guys. Stay tuned for future information. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.